Thank you, distinguished members of the press. Good evening. Arising from a consultative meeting of the various organs of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, held at the Tatari Ali Bauchi Governor's residence here in Abuja today, the following decisions were taken. 1. The National Executive Committee NEC meeting slated for October 24th, 2024 has been rescheduled to November 20th, 2024. The postponement is to give the party ample opportunity to concentrate on the forthcoming Ondo gubernatorial elections of November 16, 2024. 3. Reiterating the need for unity in the face of efforts by detractors to divide us, the meeting called on all members to shun utterances that could undermine the ongoing efforts at strengthening the party for the future success of our dear party. Thank you very much.
Can we ask a couple of questions?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so, Rahman, can I go first? Okay, so sir, this meeting has been much anticipated, and now you're saying that you're shifting till next month, 28th, right?
Yeah. 28th.
Of next month.
Of October.
All right, sir. The question is, with all of the back and forth suspensions that we witnessed, in the past weeks, sir, where is the party in all of this? Like, what is the position, really, the position of the PDP Governors Forum on the imbroglio that we actually saw? Then the second question.
But the position of the party and the PDP Governors Forum is known to everybody. You can see we are here with the acting chairman and the two sides that went into that, and we don't want to go back into ugly the occurrences that happened. We have really retraced our steps. We are together and united. Both parties have shielded their thoughts, and of course, we are good to go. We have reverted to the status quo before the commencement of the various suspensions. So I think it is something we are speaking with one voice, that because we want to win election, and still there may be some semblances of division and rancor, we don't want to give the opposition the opportunity to undercut us in Ondo, knowing fully well that Nigerians are looking up to us and our party members are looking up to us to make sure we rescue that state from the maladministration of the APC.
Your Excellency, I'm surprised for the first time you are talking about just the PDP. What about Nigeria? Considering what is happening in the country, are you not going to tell us what?
Wow, it's known to everybody. I don't want to overflow the issue of hunger and anger. I don't want to overflow the issue of the sufferings and toiling of people without remorse, without empathy from the government. I don't want to talk about an administration that is clueless, that has no left and right. They don't know where they are going. They are just perambulating and then somersaulting in policies and programs. We don't want to talk about the problems and challenges of the common man that is just an untold hardship, groaning in agony and melancholy. I don't want to talk about the country that every black man is looking up to, but we are praying for our leadership, devoid of politics, that we may reason with those who demonstrated against us. The PDP governors are doing very well, and also the other governors are doing very well. So we want the federal government to work too.
Thank you.
Are we going back to this?
No. When are you back? If you want to go back, you can take it.
Where are you?
I have a